Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Still working on the Goodsmile car. Gotten a lot done this week. Check it out. The body's all cleared and polished now. It looks pretty good. I did something a little trick. Watch this. Put it on with magnets. Now I don't have to worry about breaking it off. The wheels are done. I painted them gloss black Tamiya, decaled them up to 4 decals. So those are done. I put carbon fiber on the back of the seat and painted the seat itself flat black. Put the Recaro decal on there. The interior tub was black plastic. I shot 2 coats of gray primer and then 1 coat of white primer to get to this shade. Roll cage has been assembled. I also started work on the chassis. First thing, you wanted to fix the suspension to lower it just a little bit. So I cut 1mm shims to put on the bottom. These go here. So it essentially raises the tire up into the wheel well 1mm. But in doing that, you have to put one here, and then this piece goes here, and I cut the A-arms off of here because they will mount to here. Instead, it was butted right up against here, and now it will be mounted to here. For the front end, I did the same thing. I put 1mm spacer there and 1mm spacer in there, and it all sits flat now, and steering still works, so it will be 1mm lowered. I still haven't decided what I need to do with this. I think I want to paint it silver and then mask that, and then paint the black over top of it. It's just too much work to mask all that off individually. What do you guys think? Well, how would you tackle that? And I'm not going to brush paint it. For the brakes, I painted this mix of dark gray and silver for the wheel centers. Then I used this circle template that I got at Hobby Lobby, about $6. Basically just find the right size, put a piece of tape down, draw a circle with a pen, and then cut it out. Attach it to what you want. So works pretty good. But I'm going to paint the rotors a bright silver to contrast this dark gray that'll be in the center of the rims. So that's it. Another quick update. I think maybe next week I'll show the finished parts and hopefully finish the whole model by next weekend. Take care and see you next time. Bye.